Yeah, boy, we back. Alright, so we going to the strip, go make some content with the baby. We found a dope parking garage. It should be pretty sick, pretty good. But damn, there's like new things to do in Vegas. I just don't know where to go. But I mean, I found a parking garage, so it should be dope. Don't do it. Don't be a prick. Huh. Oh God. Talk about traffic on the strip. This is a dope ass Ducati. Before? Oh. That was easy. Oh, those are dope ass boats. Skirt. There's just so much to like look at. Says self-parking. Where's self-parking at? Oh damn, these bumps are massive. How do you get in this parking garage? Holy shit, dude. Fuck that. Where's self-parking at? I don't see it. They've got to have closed the doors or something. Maybe it's here. Is it cool if I just go to the top and take pictures? No? I had to pay for it? No, I can't do it overall? No? Alright. That's fine. We're going to turn around here? Alright. Oh, that's cool. Does she think I was going to go up? No, I'm cool. It's not a big deal. This shit is like so good in here. I'm not even tripping. Did you have a stop sign? Alright, bet. I'm not even stressing, bro. Or self parking right there. Say less. I'm going over here. Fuck that. See if they'll let me do it. Oh, it's not even covered. Let's go, boy. Fuck your shit. We going to the top, G. Yeah, I also could park my bike up here or here, and then just go walk around too. That's dope too. I ain't even tripping. Yo, this is dope. How you going up here? Oh, yes. That's sick. Burnt my leg. I don't know if the fucking roads are slippery. Oh yeah, the roads are slippery. Oh my god, my back end just slipped. Oh my god, that was scary. I said, oh no, the roads are slippery. Damn, it's hot up here. So I guess the homies are at the Cheesecake Factory. I don't know where they put their bikes, but we gonna figure it out, won't we? Where are the bikes? Oh, there's the bikes. Yeah, they all like hide them under the corner and shit. Full squad here, boy. Alright, y'all, so I just got back. I currently lost my other glove, so what I'm gonna do, I'm probably just gonna end the video here. I hope y'all liked what y'all see. I mean, there's gonna be more in the next video. I'll catch y'all later. Until then, I'll see y'all Peace.